This PC build is ideal for new video editors on a budget of around $1,000, offering the power to edit videos smoothly and store your projects efficiently. It's tailored for beginners looking to dive into video editing without spending a fortune. I will link to each and every one of these parts in this build in the description below, and I can't guarantee that these prices will stay the same as they do often change. For the processor, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X3D. This is a 3 GHz 8-core processor. This processor is an excellent choice for video editing due to its high core count and the 3D V-Cache technology, which significantly boosts the performance in tasks involving large datasets like video rendering. Its price point offers a great balance between cost and performance for video editing needs. Next is going to be a CPU cooler, because the Ryzen 5700X3D does not come with its own CPU cooler like some others do, so you will need a good CPU cooler, and we have selected the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black Edition. Video editing can push the CPU hard, increasing heat output. The Hyper 212 is a reliable, cost-effective cooler known for its good thermal performance and quiet operation, ensuring your CPU stays cool for long rendering sessions, thus maintaining performance and longevity. For the motherboard, we have the Gigabyte B550M-K Micro ATX AM4 motherboard. This motherboard provides a good balance between cost and features for a video editing setup. It supports the Ryzen 7 5700X3D with its AM4 socket and includes PCIe 4.0, which is beneficial for fast storage and future upgrades. The B550 chipset offers VRM capabilities suitable for this CPU and has enough expansion for additional storage or GPUs if needed for more intensive editing. And next, for the memory, we have selected the Corsair Vengeance LPX 32GB kit. This is 2x16 kit of DDR4 3600 MHz CL18 memory. 32 gigabytes of RAM is ideal for video editing, allowing you to handle multiple tracks and effects without lag. DDR4 3600 ensures you get performance benefits from higher memory speeds, which can be crucial in video editing software for smooth playback and rendering. The dual channel configuration also enhances performance. For storage, we've selected the Crucial P3 Plus. This is a 2TB M.2 NVMe. NVMe SSDs on PCIe 4.0 offer incredibly fast read and write speeds, which are essential for video work where you're constantly accessing large files. 2TB provides ample space for your operating system, applications, and project files, ensuring quick load times and reducing wait times during editing. For the graphics card, we're going to be going with the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7700 XT 12GB video card. For video editing, a GPU with significant VRAM is crucial, especially for handling 4K footage or effect-heavy projects. The RX 7700 XT with 12GB of VRAM delivers good performance for the price. Although it's less optimized for some editing software compared to NVIDIA cards, it still provides substantial value for the money. For the case, we have selected the Fantex XT Pro ATX mid-tower case. A good case ensures proper airflow to keep components cool under load. This case offers a balance of style, build quality, and functionality with room for future upgrades, cable management, and multiple fan options for cooling. And for the power supply, we have selected the Corsair RM750E. This is a 750 watt, 80 plus gold certified, fully modular ATX power supply. A robust power supply is essential for stability during long sessions. The RM750E provides enough wattage for this build with headroom for upgrades. It is 80 plus gold certified for efficiency and fully modular for cleaner builds and better airflow. This choice helps in avoiding potential power-related issues which can be detrimental to video editing. This build combines performance with affordability, aiming to provide a solid foundation for video editing while keeping costs down. Remember, the performance can vary based on the specific software you use and the type of projects you handle. I will link to each of the parts in the description below, and I can't guarantee that these prices will stay the same, but as always, thanks for watching.